To set and track your goals, start by searching for a task management tool in your browser. One of the top options will be a platform to organize your work life, which you can access by opening the web page and logging in with your email and password. Once logged in, you'll see various options, including adding tasks, projects, and templates. Begin by creating your goals, which can be done by clicking on the Add a Project option and naming it, such as Goals for 2024. You can customize the importance of your goal by choosing a color and adding it to your favorites. From there, you can organize your goals into a board, list, or calendar, and add tasks that can be tracked using filters and recurring dates. Additionally, you can include notes on what to avoid in order to achieve your goals. By utilizing this task management tool, you can effectively organize and prioritize your objectives, making it easier to stay on track and accomplish what you set out to do.